Masking rubber seals and trim that lay right down on the paint is hard to do. So today we're going to take a quick look at how to make that job a lot easier with 3M perforated trim masking tape. The tape is perforated so that you can do it in sections. So we'll just do a small section at first. And you slip it behind the rubber and then take this protective layer off and pull it back. So let's just do a small section. We're going to pull this rubber back, slip it in there like that behind the rubber, peel that off, and then we'll be able to pull it back a little bit and stick it down. Now the rubber is away from the paint, and when you paint, the paint will go back there. When you unmask it, the rubber will lay right down. The tape has a thin but firm plastic edge that easily slips behind the rubber, and this is the only part that's sticky. In this case, we could rip off a section like that long, but we're going to do it in two sections because it does bend a bit. So we'll do maybe that long first. And make sure it's facing this way. Slip it under there. And then you can peel it as you go. That. Make sure it's stuck down, and you can pull it away as you move. And now we'll do this last little section. And you can tear the stuff off first if you want. We'll just stick her down in there. Peel that off. Make sure it's stuck down in there. Pull back. Stick it down. And you're good. Here's a shot of what that looks like up close. Then we'll use the paper machine to do the rest of the window. Again, we'll be blending up into here with some U-Pole blender, and I do have it back masked up here just to keep the overspray from landing up there. I hope you enjoyed this very brief video on 3M's perforated trim masking tape, part number 06349. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.